Hi, my name's Curtis Enlow, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to plan, set up, and equip a work area for radio control models. One of the major considerations before we even get started is a matter of how much space is available to you. If you live in an apartment, for example, you're not going to be able to set up a big permanent workbench like this if you just don't have the space. So the minimum I would recommend is at least a cutting mat or some type of protective board to protect your work surface if you have to, say, work on the kitchen table and then move your gear out of the way. And then some type of a toolbox to keep your tools organized and in one place so you always know where your stuff is. Now, if you are lucky enough to have a space similar to this where you can set up a large semi-permanent installation, then you need to consider what kind of radio control models you're going to be working on. Now this, get it out here, is the wing from a Sport Scale J3 Cub, and as you can see, it's about 6 foot long. You're going to need some real estate for working on something like this. A large building board. Now, to be fair, this is built in 2 pieces and then joined in the center. But you're still going to need a fair amount of space in which to do something like this. Now, stick and balsa airplanes, stick and tissue as they call them sometimes, that's another whole other ball of wax, and we're not going to really address that in this video. What we're going to assume is that you're working on smaller RC models like this RC helicopter, possibly off-road vehicles, robotics. There's all kinds of things out there in the market today. So your space is a major consideration when setting up a shop to work on RC models.